Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from WURKKOS. Now this here is their HD01 Pro. Now I was sent this by WURKKOS directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. Here's the version that I have here. It's the cool white in black. Start off here with the specs. Pretty much a basic layout there. 1200 lumens is the highest output that this can do. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. Now this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need in this box. I'm going to take everything out here. USB Type-C charging cable. Nice quality on that. It's pretty long. Now here's the user manual. Front and back, as you can see there. Now the light chart with the RGB lights and everything is just really tiny. I'll do the best that I can to show you there. And one lanyard. This is a sealed unit, so there's no extra O-rings. There it is. RGB lights are on this side here. Two switch design. Can table stand that if you need. Now this is also great for hands-free, magnetic, and it is super strong. It's not going anywhere. It's compact enough for everyday carry. Nice size, no issues there. Does have a two-way clip here. It's got some pretty good resistance on there as well. Now you can remove it if you don't want it on there. It's got a semi-gloss finish on here. Here's the charging port. Now I have not charged this yet, so hopefully there's enough charge on it. Style and design on this is nice. These wedge lights are really becoming popular. Square is definitely in style. And the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. WURKKOS is very budget friendly on your wallet. It's great for us flashaholics. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here. Now this LED is the UV LED, and this here is the HM LED. That's all they have it listed under. Now on here there's CSP 1313 LEDs as well as the UV LED as well. A lot of LEDs in this setup. Okay, well normally I'd open it up, show you the insides, but this is a sealed unit. So let's wait no further. Let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI, got 2-switch design. Just like that, it is locked out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Unlocks it. We are now on the main LED. Let's go ahead and show it to you now. It does have a centralized area hotspot. Quite a bit of bleeding around the edge of that. And the way that is situated is kind of a squareness to that beam. Spill area does have a little bit of a cutoff, but it falls off pretty abruptly. On and off. Again, on and off. Does have memory mode. Press down and hold to go through those light outputs. And then off. Now if you do want to get the UV light from off, double click. We'll turn it on. You can kind of see it there. It's going to reflect quite a bit back at you on objects. Now I've used this personally, but I've been told that you can use it for finding bugs. Not something I like to do, but some people do. So now to get to the special mode, we're going to triple click this. 1, 2, 3. We'll get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash, which is distracting. 1 click turns it off. We're right back to the last light output that we had it on. Again, this does have memory mode, so no worries there. So now I believe this is the laser pointer, which is green. See it on my hand there. Now we've got double click on that button from the laser to get the side lights. This is great. This here looks like it's more of a 5K. Press down and hold to go through those. Three light levels. Impressive light output on here. And now we're going to triple click this. 1, 2, 3. Now we have the RGBs. It's kind of a police strobe there. Double click. We'll now go to the next. Kind of a rainbow effect there. This is all eye candy for us flashaholics. 1, 2. Pretty cool. Slowly changes the colors. Double click. So you've got those options there. 1 click turns it off. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward. Those RGB lights are extremely popular, especially if you want to set up something like a little mood light. Some people have difficulty falling asleep. You've got that. You can set it up to shine there for a while you go to sleep. And these here are battery level indicators there. See, they're both green. These will turn red and start to blink when this battery is critically low. Easy to operate this. Pretty simple to navigate through those LEDs that you want to use. Feels like rugged construction. I've not had any issues or any problems with WURKKOS. I've been doing them for a few years now. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this HD01 Pro outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the WURKKOS HD01 Pro. Let's go ahead and get started here. The UV works great. See some stuff that you can't see on the ground any other way. So now we're going to turn on the regular LED. Water spout, 38 feet. Faintly making that. So we can see at this light output, the distance there is pretty good. Let's go to the next level here. Now the mist has been coming and going here. There's the water spout. Again, 38 feet. 65 feet to that tree. And it is freezing cold out here. The beam on the fence. Now I have a link to my testing area here if you want to see the distances. Mist just kind of comes and goes here. Sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and go to the next level here. Nice. Beam profile here. Making 138 feet there. Famous tree of life. So now we're going to do these side lights here. If I can find the buttons, my fingers are frozen here. Got the laser pointer. It's pretty cool how you can see the beam because of the fog here. Just gonna point it to the tree here. You can see it's got some good range. You can easily hit that school way over there. Now I've got the side lights on here. Go back to the favorite color of mine is green. There's the side lights. Now that's the highest level, I believe. We'll check it. It's just the white lights. See a large area at once with this. And the lowest, you got medium, and then again on the highest. Impressive flood beam performance out of this. Fingers are cold and mist is rolling through again. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Talk about a multi-function light. You've got the floodlight, you've got the UV, and you've got a nice little thrower in here. Now it doesn't have a huge amount of range, but I think 157 meters is quite a bit of distance. The RGB lights are eye candy. Definitely is nice to set up a mood. If you're going to sleep and you want something soft colors, you've got that as well. You've got the white lights here on the side with that super low light output. You can hands-free it if you want to use it to work on your car. You've got it. Walk the dog, small enough to do so. Not seeing any issues with this light. It is definitely a nice little light here, and it's most of all budget friendly. You can USB charge this on the go, so there's no issues there. Also, the laser pointer is not something I use all the time, but you have it if you need it. The UV is pretty intense on this, so it's pretty strong. You're going to see a lot of stuff in that UV ultraviolet range, so I'm not seeing any issues with that. Battery's going to provide you decent run times, especially on the lower light outputs. Well, I want to thank WURKKOS for sending me this HD01 Pro to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, remember this is a complete kit. Comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down below this video, including a special discount code, and that'll help save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you can please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from WURKKOS to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.